Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I have been spending my morning editing. I have my computer up over there and uploading a few videos, but I need to do some cleaning and just tidying up around the house, just like general cleaning, nothing major, because I have been doing so many like projects and deep cleaning and spring cleaning and decluttering and all of that good stuff that I just kind of need to do some daily like pick up, laundry, dishes, all that kind of stuff. But I do have an Aldi and a Walmart grocery haul, so I figured I will just pop that in with this video. So this is everything that I got at Aldi. Over here, it wasn't much, just mainly some fruits and veggies. I got some center cut pork chops for dinner tonight. I got some baby carrots. I'm gonna make some homemade ranch so that way I can have those as a snack. I got some strawberries, some green grapes, 2 English cucumbers, some romaine lettuce, some iceberg lettuce because I'm gonna make some wraps with those. I got a bag of Macintosh apples back there and a big bag of sweet potatoes. And then I got some organic honey. I got some aged balsamic vinaigrette dressing. I typically make my own, but I like to have a bottle dressing on hand just in case I'm being lazy or just want something a little bit different. Got some more ketchup for the kids, and I got this avocado and coconut oil spray. So I figured that would be better than like having Pam or anything like that. I needed some more cracked pepper. And then my friend told me she is doing the 21-day fix with me. This is my second round. I can put in right above here the what I eat in a day on the 21-day fix and kind of how I figure everything out. But this is my second round, and she said that one of these is 1 point, or 1 cup of yellow, I should say. I kind of go like count each cup as a point, but I am super excited about that because I love naan bread, and these are pretty big, so that is only 1 little yellow cup, so that's amazing. I got 2 of these flatbreads. They are low calories and low carbs and all of that good stuff, so I grabbed 2 of those. That was everything that I got at Aldi, and then I just ran to Walmart, which was right next door, because I needed to get a superhero cape for my son, because I need to make him a costume for like Read Across America Day. So he's being a dog man and he's super excited about it. So Aldi only had like huge bags of lemons. I only needed a couple, so I grabbed 2 lemons there. I also grabbed some bananas at Walmart. They just looked better than the ones at Aldi. I grabbed 2 of these Mission carb balanced tortillas. Again, love these, love that they're low carb. You can do a million things with them. You can make pizzas, you can do anything. I grabbed 2 avocados, and I grabbed these. We all love these. We already ate through an entire bag of them, so here we are again. But that is everything. Like I said, just a small little grocery haul just to get us through till my next BJ's trip, which will be next week. But I just needed some fruits and veggies because we were just about out of everything. So on my to-do list, I have everything written out. I need to, starting with putting away all these groceries, I need to start a load of laundry. I have a sink full of breakfast dishes. I need to tidy the kitchen. I need to tidy the dining room. I need to make my bed. I haven't even done that yet, which is very unlike me. I need to vacuum. I need to mop. I want to tidy the kids' rooms. They clean their own rooms for the most part, but I just like to, you know, have the mom cleaning and go in there and just neaten everything up. And then I need to make my son's dogman costume. So I am going to get all of the cleaning stuff done so that way I can make sure I get his costume ready, and he's so excited. It's so cute. I hope it turns out as good as I think it's going to.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. it's so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. But now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But now, no words no more, no. Don't know, no words no more. We don't know.
I am done. I'm like working up a sweat. I'm like dying. I think I'm gonna crack a window in my house. It's beautiful out, so I have all of the rugs, like the area rugs, like the kitchen rug and the back rugs, out, just laying out in the back deck in the sun. It's so nice. It's like 45 degrees here in Massachusetts, so we are loving it. But that is it for today's video. I got everything done on my to-do list. Now I'm gonna go have some lunch before I have to go pick up the kids from school. So I hope you guys found this video motivating, and I hope you stick around and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.